Let's learn everything you see and hear at the restaurant. Entering the restaurant. When you enter a restaurant, the first thing you see is the menu. Menu. A menu is a list of all the food and drinks you can order. Waiter. Waiter. He is a man who takes your order and serves your food at your table. Waitress. Waitress. She is a woman who takes your order and serves your food at your table. Chef. Chef. A person who cooks the food in the kitchen. Cashier. Cashier. A person who takes the payment at the counter. Sitting at the table. Table and chairs. Table and chairs. We sit at a table and use a chair to sit comfortably. Plate. Plate. The food is served on a plate. Glass. Glass. The drinks are poured into a glass. Utensils. Utensils are tools like the spoon, fork, and knife that we use to eat our food. Napkin. Napkin. It is used to wipe your hands and mouth while eating. Ordering and eating. Order. Order. To tell what we want to eat. Dish. Dish is the food we eat. Special restaurant terms. If the restaurant is busy, it's good to make a reservation. Reservation. Reservation is booking a table in advance. Buffet. Buffet. The table is set with different dishes. Some restaurants have a buffet where you can take as much as food as you like. Dessert. Dessert. The sweets eaten at the end of a meal. At the end of a meal, we can enjoy desserts like cake, ice cream, or pudding. Paying the bill. When we finish eating, we ask for the bill. 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 It shows the total price of our food order. Tip. Tip. It is the extra money you give to the waiter or waitress. If we are happy with the service, we can leave a tip. Let's review. Menu. Menu. Waiter. Waiter. Waitress. Waitress. Chef. Chef. Cashier. Cashier. Tables and chairs. Tables and chairs. Plate. Plate. Glass. Glass. Utensils. Utensils. Napkin. Napkin. Order. Order. Dish. Dish. Reservation. Reservation. Buffet. Buffet. Desserts. Desserts. Bill. Bill. Tip. Tip. Great job, everyone! Now you know important restaurant words. Next time you go to a restaurant, try using these words. See you in our next lesson on Just English Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!